Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to upload thumbnail on Facebook video. Adding a custom thumbnail helps make your Facebook video more attractive and can encourage more people to watch it. You can choose or upload the thumbnail during the video upload process if your account and video type support the feature. Follow the steps below to upload a thumbnail for your Facebook video. To begin, open the Facebook app or visit Facebook in your web browser. Sign into your Facebook account, then go to your profile page by tapping your profile, then go to the Reels section, start creating a new video post, or upload a video by tapping the Create Reel. Select the video you want to upload, then tap Next. Wait for the video to finish processing. Tap or click Thumbnail or Add from Gallery. Choose the thumbnail image from your device and preview the thumbnail to ensure it displays correctly. Then tap Done. Add your video title, description, and any other details. Publish the video or save it as a draft by tapping Share. Then open the published video to confirm that the thumbnail appears as expected. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.